Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Honor 600. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you're using USB-C headphones or a USB-C adapter for your 3.5mm headphones, make sure to clean the charging port first because it can block a lot of the connection. So we want to clean the charging port, which is at the bottom right here, close to the SIM tray and the speaker crow. We want to make sure that it's clean, because if it's not, then of course blocking the connection is a big step of something not detected or not working at all. Now next, what are we going to do is we're going to go and restart the phone. So let's press the power button, the volume up button, and tap on the restart twice. Now let's talk about the adapters. So if you're using an adapter, make sure to use an original one or a certified one, because it is very important to not use anything cheap, because it can break down any second and you'll basically have no idea when or why. Now for the headphones, if you've got another pair of the same headphones or different headphones, you can check them out with the same device and or the same adapter. You can also switch the adapters to see if there's something wrong with the device itself or wrong with your headphones. So this is very important to check. Now after you check that and you see that the issue is, for example, with the device, then go over to settings and swipe down. Go to system and updates and go to software update. Now you want to make sure that you're on the latest version here, because it is also important to actually get everything done to the latest one. And here you're basically not risking any old glitches running around on your device. So make sure that you update to the latest version. And now we're going to switch it up to the Bluetooth headphones. And first, what are we going to do is we're going to turn the Bluetooth off and on. So for me, it's already turned off, so I'll turn it on, turn it off, and turn it on. This is a quick restart. What are we going to do next is, here we have available devices list, and this list basically will help us connect the headphones. So as you guys can see, my AirPods Pro are already here, and basically we have a light that tells us that it is connected. Now we're gonna click pair, and as you guys can see, they are connected, and we want to forget them and repair them. So tap on the eye icon and tap on unpair. Now they are not paired and we forgot them. So what we need to do here is I gotta double tap the front of the case so that it is white. They appeared again, and now we're gonna pair them, and of course we're gonna click on pair once everything goes up. So now clicking pair, they're connected. And if they're not connecting for you, make sure to charge them fully. This is very important, because sometimes you may not have enough battery in them. So we want to make sure that they are charged. And what are we going to do next is we're going to make sure that we avoid any other device interference. So for example, I got the phone right here, and maybe the headphones will connect there and not our Honor. So we want to make sure that they connect to this phone right here. And that's basically it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.